Hey, good morning, boys and girls. This morning, while it was snowing outside, I thought I wanted to share with you one of my favorite stories. You know, it's that time of year when the animals are hibernating, which means that they kind of go to sleep, and they sleep a long, long time. Well, one of my favorite stories is called Bear Snores Own. Maybe you've heard your papa snoring or your daddy snoring, but this story is about a bear. And he's just sleeping, and he snores, and he sleeps through everything. So, in a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, and he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. The mouse squeaks, "Too damp, too dank, too dark." So he lights some wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peep in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," says the hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wheezes, slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs in the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've bought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy 'em up. Cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear, what's he do? Snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls, he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. "You snuck in my lair and you had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. But Mouse speaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, you see, we can pop more corn and we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. And when the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore